Okay, so this is a quick video on how to connect the freedom switches to an accent. However, before I show you how to do that, I want to show you how to set the channels of the switches. You need to do this if you are using two switches. So, let's see. If you are using two freedom switches, before you connect them, you need to make sure that one switch is set to channel 1 and the other is set to channel 2. To set the channels, first turn off both switches. When off, the blue LEDs will not illuminate when the switches are activated. Remove the battery covers from both switches, but do not remove the batteries. For switch 1, verify that the internal slide bar is set to position channel 1, as shown by the numbers on the battery cover. If the slide bar is not set to position 1, use a small screwdriver to move it to the right as far as it will go. For switch 2, use the same screwdriver to move the internal slide bar one position to the left to channel 2. You should feel the slide bar slightly snap into place. Refasten the battery covers. The freedom switches are now ready to connect to the accent. Okay everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how to connect your freedom switches on an accent device. This can be in either the core scanner configuration and language system or any PRC language system. If we're in core scanner, I'm going to show you two ways to do it. If you're in core scanner, when you're setting it up, if you're setting up one of your levels, so I just went into this cornerstones level, and if I touch settings, there's a way to get into the scan settings right here, manually adjust scan settings. So that's, if you're just setting up core scanner, you can just go straight in that way. I'll show you that one more time. Cancel, let me go back from the beginning. So this is the first screen. I'm gonna go pathway level, settings, manually adjust scan settings. Or if you're somewhere else or in any other PRC language system, the other way is to go to the toolbox, in which case you'll press the blue gear, and this will work in core scanner as well. You can just pick which way is easiest for you. Toolbox, access method menu. Same place. Do that one more time for you. Blue gear, toolbox, access method menu. And then from this screen here, we're looking for the button that says connect freedom switch. So I'm going to press, well actually before you press that, let me show you a freedom switches. So here's one of them. So I'm actually going to do it with two of them. Make sure your freedom switch is on. On my freedom switch, my power is on the back side, but the ones you have, the power switch may also be on the side. I'll just make sure it's on for the second one as well. So my freedom switches are both on. And now what I'm going to do is touch connect freedom switch, that button. It asks me to pair it, so now I press my switch and it's actually working now. And then for my second switch, I'm going to go connect freedom switch and press that one. And that's all there is to it. Then both of them are connected. We can press OK all the way out and head back over to our levels and start our scan.
More.
Okay, hope that helps.